Hello gadget lovers! Xiaomi is up to something big in India, something that will soon make the waves around the world. With the launch of the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Ultra, which have blown everyone with their camera capabilities, Xiaomi is addressing the modern consumer's need. Forget 70,000 or 80,000 price. Enter the Xiaomi 14 Civi, a powerhouse device priced under 50,000 in India, ready to dominate with its impressive camera features. Before diving into the phone details, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and comment. When you unbox it, you will find a 67 watt fast charger and a USB Type A to Type C cable. Now, let's talk about the phone and its design. It's light, just 7.45 mm thin, with a dual tone color that's definitely interesting and unique. Xiaomi claims each color in this model has its own dual tone and features nano-textured vegan leather inside, offering a great grip. The frame is metal with a unique textured finish on the back. For the protection, it's equipped with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making it durable enough to withstand accidental drops from certain heights. Discussing the ports and the buttons, at the bottom there's a SIM card tray, microphone, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. Up the top, there's the IR blaster for remote control and noise cancellation. On the left hand side, there's the line for the antenna. Regarding the SIM card tray, it takes the nano SIM card. Moving to the internal display, it's a 6.55 inches screen with 1.5K resolution and a 12-bit floating quad curve display, stunning to look at. The refresh rate is 120Hz with peak brightness reaching 3000 nits. It supports Dolby Vision, enhancing multimedia consumption. Despite the slim bezels and a thin chin, there's a slightly larger punch hole camera and dual selfie cameras, elevating it to flagship level. Specifications include a flagship killer Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, fabricated at 4 nanometer, delivering an AnTuTu benchmark score over 1.5 million. Gaming at the highest settings, like in Genshin Impact, runs smoothly at 57 FPS. Despite its slim design, it can get warm up to around 47 degrees during the gaming, managed by an ice loop system to keep it cool. Haptics are excellent, and 4700 mAh battery supports 67 watt fast charging. RAM, ROM and storage are flagship worthy with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage facilitating the data transfer. Virtual RAM of 8GB works on a cloud basis. There are two variants, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, expected to be priced around 43,000 for 8GB and below 50,000 for 12GB. 3 UAG is efficient, supported by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3's 4 nanometer fabrication. HyperOS, based on Android 14, promises 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security updates with minimal bloatware or ads, offering a fluid, refined experience. Connectivity boasts 8 5G bands, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi version 6, Bluetooth version 5.4 and NFC for payments. All the sensors including in-display fingerprint and face unlock are fast and reliable. Now on to the highlight, the camera. At the back, a 50MP main sensor with Light Hunter 800, 50MP telephoto lens up to 2x zoom and a 12MP ultra wide and portrait sensor. Front facing, dual 32MP plus 32MP selfie cameras tuned by Leica, offering authentic and vibrant modes for different color conditions, ideal for natural or punchy social media photos. Portrait options include 35mm, 50mm, 90mm focal lengths with excellent skin tones, colors and age detection even in the low light. Video capabilities include up to 4K at 60 fps rear and 4K at 30 fps front, supported by Master Cinema mode for pro settings and SDR video capture. Features like dual video and pocket mirror mode are handy, alongside up to 1920 fps super slow motion and IP64 certification for the dust and water resistance. In conclusion, Civi Cinematic Vision offers a great display and among the best cameras for the selfies and portraits in this price range. If this suits your needs, consider this phone, available from June 20th. So there you have it, Xiaomi's latest flagship offering, packed with top-tier specs, It's definitely something to consider if you are in market for a new smartphone. Stay tuned because this beauty will be available starting June 20th.